Let's do a quick and easy soft glam makeup look. Hi, my name is Sarah of Just Glam Girl, and here I like to share my favorite fashion finds and beauty products. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get this quick and easy soft glam makeup look using just one makeup palette. Let's get into it. So first, I'm going to start off with my 5-minute face. These are 5 products that I use every single day. It's a really good everyday routine. I use a tinted moisturizer and a 3-in-1 blush, bronzer, and highlight product, and it just really simplifies my everyday makeup routine. Now we're ready for this palette. It is so beautiful. It is called the Coffee Dream. So first I'm going to start off with the brown orange color, and I'm going to put that on the outside of my lids and just blend that in nice and soft. Then I'm going to take the cream color and put that on the inside of my lids and blend that out into the orange. And some more blending using the blending brush and a little bit more cream color. Now I'm going to go in with the dark brown matte color, and I am going to put that on the outer eyelids but more in the crease, and just kind of blend it a little bit to the front, but with emphasis on the outside corner in your crease. And I'm using a fluffy blending brush so I get a soft blended finishing look. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful glitter color, and as you can see, the glitter isn't overwhelming, which I love, but it is buildable. So if you're someone who just wants a little bit of sparkle, just start off with lightly applying it. If you're like me and you like a lot of sparkle, just keep adding it until it's where you want it to be. And to complete my look, I like to add a little bit of highlight on the inside corner of my inner eyelids. I like to finish my eye looks by lining the top of my eye, and this is one of my favorite eyeliners of all time. As you can see, it just glides on so easily. And for the last step, I'm going to line my lips with a nude lip liner and fill it in with 2 matte lipsticks. I love these matte lipsticks because they're long-lasting and really hydrating. And here's the finished look. Comment down below, where would you wear this look to? Personally, I think this quick and easy soft glam makeup look is perfect for a fall date night and just an easy way to glam up your everyday look. I made sure to link all the products I used in the description, and if you like this quick and easy makeup look, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe so you'll get notified when I post more next Monday. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.